I'm Judith Smith, Atlanta Basement Design, here with Dr. Sandrea Jones now on Thursday, March 7th. And our painting, to the point that it can be complete, is complete because once you install the cabinetry, you've got to come back and finish the rest of the trim butting up to the cabinetry. So that trim will have to be painted. Our cabinetry went in today. Our cabinetry installer had said to me when I put the cabinets in my own house in Roswell, he said, these are particle board. I had paid $15,000 for them from Home Depot. He said, I've got a cabinetry source in Gwinnett, solid wood cabinets, much cheaper, much better. I don't like to change anything that we've been doing for the last 24 years, but I went with it because I went to the showroom, I saw the quality of the cabinets, the price was right, and we went with it. They delivered on time, exactly what we were supposed to get. And Dr. Jones, what would you say about the quality of this cabinetry?
Awesome quality. It's thick, real wood. I love the design, soft close. I love that feature as well.
And now the most important thing is that we have the cabinets dead level. The reason that we have Lewis install the cabinets is because, as you can see, each one of these cabinets is dead level, installed on a foundation floor. And therefore, you don't have issues with the granite coming in and having them say, we can't install the granite because the cabinets are not level. And Dr. Jones, also paint, as far as doing basements in Atlanta, painters, drywall people, and tile people that are professionals are terrible. And it's very hard to find good painters, good drywall people, good tile people. This basement was painted for $1,000. And Dr. Jones, what is your opinion of the paint job?
Awesome paint job. Lines are clean. Looks really good. Looks really good.
The walls have been prepped to perfection. The lines are all straight. I did a job in 2017. We couldn't even offer paint for 9 years of the 24 years I've been in business because painters are so terrible in Atlanta that you couldn't even recommend someone and have their name associated with it. And in 2017, I did a job in Powder Springs where they used CertaPro painters and drips, not straight lines, no wall prep. It was an absolute terrible job. And I said to the client, don't pay them. And he said, well, with CertaPro, you pay up front. Now, CertaPro did come back and make it right, but that's a well-known painting company, which was absolutely terrible. So the paint's been done. It's March 7th. We're going to template. We were supposed to template the granite install on Monday, tomorrow, Friday, but the installer, the temp guy called in sick to work, and so they won't be here until Monday, which is a glitch, it happens. And then just in the interest of full transparency, we do these videos so that people can get an authentic look at exactly what it's like to do business with our team. And we did have one glitch, which was when the drywall people were here, they had to take the banister off to put the drywall in to finish it, and they put it outside, and it got rained on. So we are replacing the banister. It'll be replaced tomorrow, perfectly fine, no problems there. As things happen, you've got 28 people renovating a basement and things happen, but we just make it right by the client. So are you satisfied with
yes, I love
the
it.
cabinetry? Yes. There's upper cabinets that go here after the granite. So we'll know the granite install on Monday, and we should be done with this completely in less than 6 weeks. Thank you.